So, welcome to another vlog from Who's Trading. And let me just say this, like guys, I recorded this video with pure intentions of making you guys follow at the same time, but the video was not recording. I am beyond mad. Like, I was so mad. I'm like, oh my god, I'm gonna have to do a voiceover for this thing. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I was so mad. But anyways, getting into it. Today we're trading NZD USD, along with I think it was USD chef. I said chef, but it's really Swiss. But excuse me, just a thought that I have. We're trying to stick to our compound plan. And when I'm saying I'm sticking to our compound plan, right? We're at $276. If you can see, this is a new account. We're starting from scratch again. This is a compounding account. This is a Omoanga party. Let me go, get $1,000 or $500. I forgot the party. No, this is a serious compound account that I'm starting today. $276 starting at 5%. That's about a 300 and something thousand for the year. No, I'm going to do this from Monday to Friday. That's why I'm going to be doing this, Monday to Friday. So I'll be trading Monday to Friday, and I'm going to be following my compound plan strictly. That is it. Nothing more, nothing less. Strictly following my compound plan. Now, letting you know that the compound plan starts at 276. The next figure is 283. And yes, some people are going to say, yes, it's $6. It's $6. It's not just $6. It's compounding daily. Today I have 276. Tomorrow I have 283. That is compounding. That's following your compound plan, guys. And I cannot stress enough how important it is, because guys, I am not a disciplined trader. I'm not gonna tell you that as I am. And I really started this account to see if I can truly, sit down and master this compounding thing daily. I mean, I do it, but when I pass my goals, I go on and on and on and on until I get back to my goal, and then I stop. I don't want to do that. I want to just be like, hey, if I'm supposed to make $6 today, $6. I know that I can make $6 for the day. That is soft. But it's not about the money right now. It's about compounding to get to that big figure. I don't want to be trading $500 or $600 per session anymore. I want to be trading $20,000, $30,000. So I say, all right, that's it. As always, I always go for ambience music. You should be playing in the background. But as I said, this is a voiceover because my mic was not on. I am so upset about that. As you know, when I trade, I use Hourglass and I use Trading View, and I always mark up my basic support and resistance sign. I believe that's what HFX is, support and resistance. If you look down, I use my basic stochastic and my RSI. The settings are always the same, 433 and 533 and 6. RSI is set to 6. Stock is 533. Now, if you see I'm going back and forth because I'm trying to gauge what am I looking for. I think NZD USD was paying 85 or 84%. And then this thing was giving me a problem. I remember here I was trying to log in and out. It would not let me, would not let me log in. And I was so mad because it was going back and forth. I ended up have to close the browser itself, and just start a new one. I tried it several times, I think. And I had to close the browser itself and start a new one. I think this was where I closed the browser, I'm not sure. Yeah, this was where I closed it. I'm pretty sure. What? How much time? Oh, I did. And I started a new one right here. Now, this video is 15 minutes long. And I'm a little 10-minute videos, but hey, whatever. Scrap it. I'm trying to get you guys to learn the trading skills. You understand? I'm not just trying to be in and out. Because every time I get on, I'm like, this is so much work to teach everybody this, teach everybody that. And I always go for the highest payout. It doesn't matter what pair. I don't matter which pair. The only pair I hate trading is Euro JPY. I hate JPY. That market is just too unpredictable. It moves too fast. and I just can't bother. But NZD, USD, CAD, Swiss, pairs, I'll trade anything, just not. I stay away from USD and JPY. I just don't like it. As you see right there, I'm marking up my support and resistance. I realize that this market is now, in a consolidation period where, it's going from back and forth, back and forth. Just looking at the charts, looking at the Bollinger Bands. Stick to GBP USD. Oh, I remember what's happening here. I was setting up trade at $5 because I'm like, the goal is just $6. I win this first trade, it would be $4. Now, if you see right there, GBP USD, the currency strength me, the GBP 64, USD 37. So I know that we're looking for up trades. So right now I'm marking it up, and I was waiting for this to come back down to that line. I was waiting for a time, and I think I got fed up. I was like, this looks like a better trade. Realize the Bollinger Bands are so skinny, so that means that there are not a lot of persons in the market. So I was like, this looks like a consolidation period right here. And I'm like, all right, consolidation period. This is gonna go down because, if I scroll in, you'll see. So I was just waiting on it, going for the put bomb. I was late on the move because I really should have got it up higher, but I know that it's gonna tank. So I was just sitting down, waiting. I thought I was a bit early, but I was like, nah, I ain't early. The move hasn't happened yet. So I go back on the chart, and I just see, if you realize the 4 candles before, and if you realize the stock is in overbought right now, it's in overbought. RSI is not in overbought, but you can see it's going down. And I was just waiting for this. I was like, yo, this is going to tank. I was already in profits, And then I saw this big move up, my man. I said, yeah, man, this is it. Like, I know when the market is hovering in one area, bouncing back and forth, it's just trying to get up people. Bam. Big tank, big drops. And I zoomed in on it to show you guys, and I was like, this is when I realized that, hey, this is just consolidation. This is my consolidation strategy. And I'm like, I gotta mark this up. And I was like, you know what, I'm gonna switch my accounts and go to my bigger account, because I was like, this is my time. Like, this is where I make rocks, yo. When I see consolidation periods come up and they don't often, I realize they haven't happened in a while, I was like, this is gonna be it. So as you see, I'm at $280 now. I only have $3 more to make, and I'm like, $3 soft. I was like, $3 are soft right now. But I believe I was talking about, sticking to your compound pan, and as I said, most people would say, hey, it's just $6. It's not just $6. It's showing myself that, hey, I can be disciplined. I want to be a disciplined trader. Disciplined traders make money, yo. The ones that are fast going, hey, $200 to the $300 to that, they lose a lot of money. And I don't know about anybody else, but I hate losing. I really hate losing. If I lose a trade, I don't sweat about it because I know I'm gonna make it back. But that doesn't mean it doesn't hurt. I try to be better the next time. So this is where, if you look at my mouse, I'm saying, yeah, consolidation. I marked up support, mark up resistance, and I'm like, bam, consolidation period again. I believe I even write it out for you guys. I was like, all right. GBP USD equaling strength. And when normally I can tell this is when the currencies are both equal in strength, turn to your structure. Look at the structure of the market. Look at the trend. Is it going to downtrend? Because if it's not following currency strength, it's following structure. Alright? So, even though it's 50-50, it doesn't necessarily mean that the market will be going sideways. Right? It means that the market will follow structure. If the strengths are equal, they will follow structure. And I believe I took one more trade. I think it was USD Swiss. And I was just looking at it and I was like, hey, this is perfect, yo. I think this is setting up. It was on that middle band, even though it was in an uptrend. I was like, it's on that middle band, you know. And that yellow line on the bottom is the 200 EMA. I was like, I'm gonna take this trade. But I was waiting for it to come back down to that red line, or even go up and come back down. So I was like, all right, I'm gonna be in there. I'm gonna be in there. I was like, all right, I'm gonna be in there. And I was thinking about it, and I was like, nah. I think I said, nah, I'm looking for something better. You know, and then I saw this now, and remember I was telling you about the consolidation period, how the market works. You know, I was telling you guys about this, and I'm like, look at the strength again. I said that they're both equal. And I'm like, what's going to happen? What am I going to do? Switch back. I remember I took this for the call. I was early in this. I shouldn't have gone in as yet, because I remember the timer on TradingView was 1 minute 20. I hate taking trades when they're at 1 minute. Once I see it hit 2 minutes to 1 minute, that's when I know that anything can happen. But when I see it hit that line, I'm pointing on it right there. I believe I wrote it down as well. I knew this market is going up. You know, I knew for a fact this market was going up. It was jumping. You know, you see, look at that big drop. You know, and this is where it gets a lot of people out. I was like, nah, I'm going for this rollover. I was sure about this trade. I was so sure about it. I'm like, and then all of a sudden, GBP started gaining massive strength. You know, it started gaining massive strength. I was like, I'm a roll over. You know, I'm a roll over. That's what I said. I'm a roll over on this one. And I went down and I click roll over. And I'm like, this is going up. You know, this is definitely going up. So I was patient with it. You know, if I didn't roll over, I would have lost the trade. But I knew for a fact it was going up. The market spiking like that. Go above my entry. See, GBP gaining strength. Look at that. 53, 56, 59, 57, 59, 57, 59, 60. You know, I knew it was just order. As I said, if they're equal, it's following structure. And it was coming all the way back up here now. I believe I cleared this. Yeah, I did. I cleared this trade by a landslide. See, I only took 2 trades, made my $6, and I logged out. I was out of there. Because as I say, it's all about following your compound plan. I cannot stress this enough. You must have a plan going on these charts. See, I even typed it out. This is my consolidation strategy. You cannot mess with the strategy. The market goes 2 places, it bounces back and forth in that tight little bracket. You know, it bounces back and forth. You cannot mess with it. I'm going to suggest the video at the end, the strategy. If you don't know it, I'm going to bounce it. I'm going to put it at the end of the video so you guys can see it. This is my strategy. I know what I'm talking about. The market is confused. Look at the Bollinger Bands. They're so tight. The market is confused. It doesn't know where to go. And I've been showing you. See, I run it back. I show you. Look. Look how many times it hit that line. Look. Just look at that. The area is so small. You know? I'm going to suggest that bit. I think I'm going to do over video with the consolidation strategy. And I believe this was going to be the end. Oh, I was going to show you guys the clear first. Yeah, we cleared that and we finished above goal. You know, it was supposed to be 283. It was 286. We ain't crying about it. We rolled over once. We were disciplined today. That's 100%, you know. We take profits when the market give it to us. We take profits when the market give it to us. I believe that was it for the video. Still showing you my consolidation strategy. Guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Sorry for the voiceover. As I said, I recorded the video before, but I don't know what happened, and it just wasn't I played it back, but I was just about to edit it and put it on YouTube, and then I realized like there's nothing playing. I was so mad because I was gonna go trade with my other account. See, we cleared there, and then I realized that no sound. I was like, damn, this is so mad. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.